Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and choosing apps and notifications. Then tap on advanced over here, go into permission manager and pick one of your phone's features, like location. Then select one of your apps like maps and select one of those options by tapping on the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, I can see that Maps just gained access to this device location. You can also tap on one of your apps like Chrome, select the Chrome permissions over here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!